was nice. It's really nice.
How did the race go?
It went good. I got the whole shot and just kind of tried to ride consistent, control myself a little bit, and it seemed to work.
What was the toughest part about tonight?
The whoops. The whoops were killer.
Is there anybody that you want to thank?
Yeah, I want to thank Dave Irwin for letting me borrow his four-wheeler and racing tonight. And I want to thank my wife for supporting me through, all my stuff. So